guess it started with my father working at his pizza parlor, washing dishes, folding boxes, and taking people's orders. Back when all the phones recorded, you know, when there's a storm and begging parents for some Jordans, unaware it short the mortgage before 6th grade. I had a job that get paid, waking up at 6 on the weekdays was a bitch. They had me in the sticks, throwing paper on the steps of the rich. Every step I was taking felt like less than an inch, so I quit and stayed with pops mowing lawn since the parlor had gone out of business. And this was just the way he moved on, though every day he